Sat Nam, I'm Yogigems. I'm a Kundalini yoga teacher. If you're a highly sensitive person or you're an empath who feels things very deeply or very easily swayed and affected by the moods, the thoughts, the emotions of others, one of the best things you can do for yourself is to strengthen your auric field. The aura is our shining shield of protection, and when it is big and bright, it means that nothing can come in to influence us. We're very strong and stable in our own selves, in our own being. This very short Kundalini Yoga Kriya is a great one to take on for 40 days if you want to really build that resilience in your auric field. It's just a really lovely quick strengthener, a little booster of our protection and our projection. Let's bring our palms together, give them a good vigorous rub, and bring your prayer mudra into the heart center. Take a deep inhale to stretch tall through the spine. Keeping that length as you exhale, relax the shoulders away from the ears. Inhaling to lift through the heart. And exhaling, drawing the chin in towards the neck so the back of the neck is long. Let's take a deep inhale to tune in with our mantras. If you're new to the mantras, just listen in for now. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Siddhi Gurudev Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Siddhi Gurudev Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Siddhi Gurudev Name. Deep inhale. And hold that breath in as you invite your higher self to guide you through this Kundalini Yoga practice, keeping you safe from injury and keeping the space that you're practicing in clear and safe and protected. Exhaling, relaxing the hands down to the knees in Gyan Mudra, index fingers touching thumbs, and just allowing those mantras to settle in body and mind, bringing you into presence for your Kundalini Yoga. Good, we're going to start with a lovely refreshing pranayam ego eradicator. So the arms are extended up and out, the thumbs plug up into the higher selves, the tops of fingers onto tops of palms with a breath of fire. Breath of fire is our panting breath through the nose. If it feels a bit too much for you today, slow it right down to a very slow breath of fire or to a long, slow, deep breath. Keep the shoulders relaxed, keep the arms nice and strong and straight. Feel as if you're pinning the edges of the auric field right out. We're feeling bright and light and full of expansion in this posture. Eyes locked into the third eye point in the center of the brow. Let's take a deep inhale as we bring the thumbs to touch above the head. Hold that breath in as you squeeze Mulban. So you're squeezing anus and sex organs, pulling the belly in as you feel, sense, imagine that energy rising up the spine, up the arms, up into the fingertips, which you're stretching out wide now, opening the hands, lifting that energy up and out to project through the auric field, bright, expansive, strong. And as you exhale, comb your hands down through the auric field, pulling down any denser energies, any psychic attachments, any hooks that we can release today, bringing the fingertips to the earth and resting the hands on the earth as you ground and you rest into that stability beneath you. The more stable and grounded we are, the brighter and stronger our auric field can become. Feel yourself embodied, supported by this earth, strong, bright, centered. Inhaling deep, exhaling fully. Good. Now we're going to move into our Kundalini Yoga Kriya for strengthening the aura. We come onto all fours. You've got your wrists directly underneath the shoulders, the knees directly underneath the hips. Now we're going to bring the right knee into the center, lift the left leg up and out, and we're going to start to do push-ups, bringing the forehead down to the floor on the exhale and inhale, lifting up. Exhaling down, inhaling up. Nice and steady with the breath and the movement. If you can't quite get your forehead all the way down to the floor, just come down a few centimeters, that's fine as well. But you want to feel that movement in the back leg. Feel that toe pointing out to the edge of the auric field. And as you develop your strength, if you're taking this on for 40 days, you'll start to practice this push-up in a downward dog position. So you're raising your leg up in downward dog as you push up and down with your breath. Inhaling up. Hold the breath, squeeze more band, lift that leg, and exhale. We'll change sides. You're bringing your left knee into the center as we raise the right leg up, and again it's exhaling down, inhaling up. Keep the eyes at third eye point. Arms getting a lovely strengthener here, as is the glutes. Point the toe right up and back. Feel as if you're stirring up the auric field behind you. And again, if you're taking this on as a 40-day challenge, as you develop strength in the arms, you'll move this up into a downward dog push-up. Stay with it, few more. Inhaling up. Hold the breath, squeeze more band, lift that back leg, point the toe, and exhale. Bring the knee down to the floor, spread the knees out, sit back on the heels, forehead comes to the floor. If it doesn't comfortably reach the floor, stack your fists, rest your forehead on the fists, or bring the arms alongside the body. And rest here in a comfortable child's pose, breathing into the lower back. Feel as if you're establishing as a nucleus in the auric field, a full stop point. Inhaling deep, exhaling fully, bringing the hands underneath the shoulders, gently lifting yourself to come back to sitting in your comfortable, easy pose. Now we've got our left arm extended out. I'm mirroring you in a fist as if you're holding onto a pole. The right arm comes under the left and reaches around to grab onto that hand. So you're kind of reaching under and over to grab onto the hand, both of the palms facing to the left. And we're going to inhale, the arms up 60 degrees, exhale back down to parallel to the floor. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Again, the eyes rolled up and into third eye point. Now we're activating and stimulating the arc line. This is the nucleus of our auric field. It is our halo. We're clearing, strengthening and activating our halo to be bright and shining and expansive, to project our Satnam into the world. Good. Stay with this rhythm. You can do it. Inhale up. Hold that breath, squeeze, Mulban, draw the energy up through the spine, up through the crown of the head, hold, squeeze, lift. And exhale, float the hands down to the knees in Gyan Mudra. And perhaps you can feel beyond your skin into the electromagnetic field, into the arc line, into the aura. Perhaps you can sense the extraordinary expanse of your energetic field. Inhaling deep, exhaling fully. Good. Now we've got our hands together. This is the exhale. As we clap on the inhale, we're bringing the arms out behind us as far as they can go. Exhaling, inhaling. Good. Eyes at third eye. And this clapping sound clearing away any ghosts from the auric field, any stagnant energies. Lovely clearing nad yoga, sound yoga. Giving us a really good sweep clean of the auric field. Any residues of dense energies, any energies that do not serve us, clearing out here. So we can shine in our absolute brightest light. Stay with the third eye point. Stay with the powerful breath. Inhaling out. Hold that breath in as you burst the heart open. Squeeze, Mulban. Draw that energy up through the spine, up through the crown of the head, up and expand out. Exhale, relax and release. Hands to Gyan Mudra on the knees. Resting here in meditation with the spine long, growing tall from the back of the pelvis, or if it's more comfortable for you, to come into Shavasana, lying flat on the back. We'll stay here in stillness, in silence for just another minute or so. And in this space, we rest in awareness of the electromagnetic field. We move beyond the skin into the energy, that palpable essence of energy that surrounds us. Rest here and I will lead us out on the other side. And if you're lying in Shavasana on the earth, gently stirring yourself, gently, slowly making your way all the way back up to sitting tall in your comfortable, easy pose, the hands in Gyan Mudra on the knees, the spine growing long from the back of the pelvis, the shoulders relaxed, crown of the head moving up towards the sky as the heart lifts and the chin tucks in. Let's bring our palms together at the center of the chest in prayer mudra, and we'll close our practice with another Nad Yoga by chanting Sat Nam, truth is my name. Project that energy out as far as it will go through this chant. Let's take a deep inhale. Sat Nam. Bowing chin to chest, offering gratitude to body, mind, breath, and auric field for bringing you to this Kundalini Yoga. Sending that gratitude out into your life for all that you are and all that you are becoming. And coming back into the room whenever you feel ready. Sat Nam, I'm Yogigems. I hope you enjoyed this Kriya for strengthening the aura. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please do subscribe. And always, thank you for joining me on Patreon and for supporting me on Coffee and through the YouTube Super Thanks. So much gratitude to you, and I'm beaming lots and lots of love to each and every one of you. Sat Nam.